Hello YouTubers and welcome to Silly Sid 123. Now I'm going to show off my first Hoover Junior that I purchased, which is my Hoover Junior 1334. This is the 1958 model, which got refurbed and had all Hoover logos taken off it in the 80s, 90s, maybe even 70s, and came out white and grey. It's got grey cable, grey bag, grey plastics, grey bumper, grey handle, but it's still got the original motor, same as the 1958. This possibly could have been the red rose when it was new. Metal casing, the mechanism works fine, and it's completely mint. It's in nice condition. So we're going to just see what it can do. So there you go, there is my Hoover 1958 Hoover Junior 1334, and as I say, it's fully refurbished, but it works absolutely brilliant. The beta bar works fantastic. So there we go, thanks for watching.